Okay, so here we are turned on, and I took the hopper off the top so you could kind of see how this is working. You can see that the pulleys there are making the screen shake back and forth, and the dirty seed is put on top, solid chaff, and you can see how bigger stuff is being shuffled off down this chute into the bucket, and how lighter material, as the seed falls through, is kind of being blown out of this. Can't see it too well, but you can see it collecting there on the table. And as the seed falls through the chute, it's collecting down in that tray. And we're collecting clean seed. Pretty cool.